Good morning and welcome to this session of Learning Success, the book Money, Sex, Power. Today is day 2. We'll read from chapter 2, verse 2. Make your ears pay attention to wisdom and incline your mind toward understanding. Now, many times we see people, they are so frustrated. They come to the end of the rope. They say, I have no way I can come up. There is no light in my sight. I am so frustrated. I am so stressed. I have no way I can ever increase and improve my life. We always find people who are already very frustrated about life, about everything they have. They get so discouraged and negative, and if you talk them, you can feel that. Sometimes even we come to that place where we don't have any energy to go forward. But the truth of the matter is this. King Solomon, the wise man whom we are following. But if you ask King Solomon, our mentor, he may be saying otherwise. My friend, he is telling, make your ears pay attention to wisdom and incline your mind toward understanding. There is something which you should gather and should not miss. Let me tell you a hypothesis. The hypothesis is this, that all that you need in your life will be given to you. Whatever you require today is already given to you yesterday. That is the truth of the matter. Now, where are these solutions for our problems? Where are these answers to our questions? Where are the solutions for the puzzles which we are having? I'll tell you, make your ears pay attention to wisdom. Now, wisdom is something which is a solution. Now, it says understanding. Understanding is the answer. I'll tell you, wisdom is the solution, understanding is the answer. So it is passing your way. If you're not smart enough, you may not catch it. You will allow it to pass. It will pass you and you'll wonder why I have no solution in life. Today, when I see people who are trapped in situations, trapped in problems, I find one thing, that they have missed the opportunities which God has given them. Sometimes opportunities will never come again. If you miss that opportunity, you will miss it forever. Some opportunities never return all through our life. My friend, you should know, when the opportunity passes you, you have to capitalize on that opportunity. That's why it says, make your ears pay attention to wisdom. Okay? We should allow our ears to pay attention. Paying attention is cutting every other frequency and listening to that. For example, I'll tell you a human nature. The nature of our ear. Our ear has a particular ability that it can hear to certain frequency. For example, if you're listening to an orchestra, you want to listen to the flute, you can listen to the flute. And you can cut down all the other frequencies, that is other sounds. But if you want to listen to the lead guitar, you can listen to the lead guitar. If you want to listen only to the drums, your ears have the capacity of just silencing every other frequency except drums. When you and I, we carry this ability in our ears, it is also very true in finding our attention or paying our attention to the right wisdom which passes through us. Now, wisdom is got inside the house, outside the house, where you work, in people's words, people's behaviors. There are many things which you can learn wisdom from. Now, if you are not really careful about these wisdom tips, I'll tell you, you will go without an answer. Always, you should understand, wisdom is a solution. So there is a solution in people's talks. Wherever, see, when you take the newspaper to read, it is full of solutions. When you take your books to read, it is full of solutions. When you talk to your friend, it is full of solutions. So, solution is everywhere. It is you who should capitalize. Understanding is everywhere. Incline your mind toward understanding. It says, in another translation, it says, apply your mind. So we should always understand, you have to apply your mind to understanding. Then you will understand. There are many things, tricky things. When you look at the face value, you will feel nothing is there. But if you really look into it, if you apply your mind, focus your mind on that understanding, you will receive that understanding. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this session. We will meet again tomorrow, same time, same place. God bless you.